In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to install Google Analytics to your WordPress website. But before we start, we need to understand what Google Analytics is. Google Analytics is a tool developed by Google we use to collect data and track user performance on our website and website performance. Before we install Google Analytics, there are some steps we need to complete in order to have Google Analytics integrated to our WordPress website. So let's go ahead and see what these steps are. Alright, so the first thing you need to take is to go to Google and type Google Analytics. Analytics, and then click on Google Analytics. Go ahead and click on the first result, okay? So click on this first result. And it will take you to a page just like this, okay? Now, make sure you select your Google account, okay, your Gmail. Make sure you're on your right Gmail account. After that, go down and click on Start Measuring. So I'll click on Start Measuring. Perfect. Now, next, we need to enter our account name because with Google Analytics, you can have multiple accounts. So go ahead and specify this account because it's going to be using ID code, okay? So you'll be using the ID code to identify this specific account. So go ahead and enter your account. So I will enter perfect. Now scroll down and then click on next. Perfect. Next, we need to enter our property name. So you can enter your website name as your property name. Go ahead and enter your website name. So I'm going to enter my website name, and which is good. Scroll down, and then you can choose your currency, your time zone, and other things, but I'm going to leave it just like this. Now I'll click on next. Good. Now they're asking us for our business information. Go ahead and select your business or industry category. So I'll click on select one and then choose your business category. So if your something is, let's say, sports, shopping, you go ahead and choose that. In my case, I'm going to set up Google Analytics for a shopping website, but this is a demo website. So I'll click on shopping. Perfect. Now, your business size. Go ahead and choose the number of employees in your business. I'm going to choose small. Fantastic. Now scroll down and select everything here. Okay. So I'm going to select. Now, if you have a mobile app, you can also select this, but for now I don't have mobile app. Okay, but to make things easy or easier for you in future, just select it because you don't know when you have a mobile app. So do that and this. After that, click on create. Okay, after you click on create, you'll be asked to accept to their terms of service. So go ahead and click on, but first make sure you read their terms. Okay, don't skip it. So click on I accept to the terms. Good. And then click on I accept. Fantastic. Now wait for the account to create. Now right now they're saying access or permission denied because you have not read the terms. So do that again. So let's pretend we are reading. So we scroll down. Okay, because they know we haven't read the terms. So, and then we have to now click on accept and then here and wait. Now you can see success. You see that Google is smart. They are smarter than us. All right. So next, this is their newsletter. Google is a nice company. So to me, I always opt in for this. All right. And then go ahead and click on save. Good job. This is now your Google Analytics account. So we're done with the first step, which is part one of the whole process, which is creating the account. The next thing is we need to integrate it to our website. But first, choose your platform. So I'll close this thing. And then because we want to integrate it to our website, go ahead and click on web. Fantastic. And right now, we need to enter our website address here and our website name. So go ahead and paste your website address here. I'll go to my URL, my address bar, and then copy my website name from here. Copy. And then I'll go back to Google Analytics, my Google Analytics account, and I'll paste my website address here. But make sure you remove the HTTPS and then leave it just like this. Go ahead and enter your website name here. So I will enter this is my streaming name. And finally, click on create stream. And wait. Good job. Now this is the details we need, or the API we need to integrate to our website. Okay. And this is our measuring ID. This is a demo account. Okay. I'm using to make this tutorial, so don't worry about anything here. Okay. Now we are done with the first part. We are complete. The next thing is to go to our WordPress dashboard and then install a plugin. So I'll take you to my WordPress dashboard. Fantastic. Now to plugins. Scroll down. So go to plugins and then click on add new. Once you are there, go ahead and click on search box and then type SiteKit. Okay, SiteKit, KIT, and wait for it to load. Now we need to install this first plugin, SiteKit by Google Analytics by Google. You see that? So click on install and wait for it to install. Perfect. This plugin has been installed successfully. Can you guess the next step? Fantastic. We need to activate it. So go ahead and click on activate. After you activate the plugin, you see this congratulations message. See, congrats. The SiteKit plugin is now activated. Below, you can see start setup. Just click on that. Okay, so we are now going to connect our site to our Google Analytics account. So I'll click on start setup. And you'll be brought to a page like this. Go ahead and click on connect Google Analytics as part of your setup. So just click on it. Perfect. And then scroll down. And you can click here to help Google or share data with Google. Okay, if you want that, you can do it. If you don't want it, just forget about it. Okay, but Google is a nice company, so you can do it. But in this tutorial, I'm not going to do that because this is a tutorial video. Okay, so I'll click on sign in with Google. Now go ahead and choose your Gmail account, your Google account, the account you are using or you use to create your Google Analytics account. So this is the account I use, okay, to create my Google Analytics. So I'll go ahead and click on it. Next, you need to checkmark these things, okay? After that, click on continue. Good. On this page, you need to verify your ownership. Okay, to verify, simply click on this blue button, verify. Next, you need to turn on metrics in your dashboard. To do so, you need to allow Google access. So click on allow. Next, we need to set up Search Console. So we are doing everything in one dashboard. Just click on Setup. Now, this is the Google Analytics setup page. So this is where it finally connects to your Google Analytics account. So click on Next. Fantastic. Google Analytics is almost connected, but we still need a little step further to complete this whole process. Perfect. And right now you can see our account is automatically selected for us, and this is the property we set up in Google Analytics. So it's almost connected, but there's one last step we need to do, which is to configure analytics. So click on Configure Analytics. And then click on Proceed. One last thing, we need to choose our account again to continue to what? The site kit. So just click on your account. Now scroll down a bit and then click on Continue. Fantastic. Here we are back to our dashboard, our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so just wait for it to load completely. Congrats! Google Analytics has been successfully installed and integrated fully onto your WordPress website. On top, you can see the congratulations message. Just click on OK, got it. And your website will start collecting data about your website visitors. And very soon, you see the data displayed here with a lot of things, metrics you can measure. Okay, you can click on traffic to see your website visitors. Next, what I want to show you is how to we want to now test our website to see if it is fully configured. So I'll take you back to Google Analytics, and then what I'll do is I'll close this thing, and then we go to Real Report. Okay, so we go to Report, and then click on Real Time. Great job. So I'm going to open my website on my mobile device so you can see the reaction. Okay, so right now, open it on my mobile device, you see that my website is able to track my visit, my clicks, and my activities on that website. So I'll open my website in a new tab or on my mobile device. In order to prove to you that it works, this browser called UC browser, I've opened my website with UC browser. It doesn't matter the browser you use, and you can see right now there's one active user on the website, and I'm the one here. You can see that, and it actually tracks the pages I navigate to. And because it's a shopping website, even if I click on this product and go to it, it will tell me as the website owner the product I'm currently on. Okay, good. So let me take you there and show you what I'm talking about. So I'll simply hide this thing. Let me minimize it like this, and then you can see Accra. I'm the one from Ghana, Accra. Sorry, I'm not from Accra, but actually on the map it shows Accra. Okay, so I'll scroll down a bit, and then you can see this is the website. And because this is a new integration, you can't see a lot of data here, but you give it like up to 24 hours or even 48 hours, and you'll be able to see a lot of data. And now you can see this is the product I opened in my new tab. Okay, so this is the product. Here is the product name. Just look at it. Speaker is a speaker. Now let me take you back there and then scroll down. You can see this is the product name, wireless speaker. Okay, it's actually a watch, but it's the name. I named it wrongly. Okay, so this is it. It will tell you the page you are. So let me take you back to the top, and then I'll open a new tab or a new page, and then I'll open a category page, something like consumer electronics, and then click on electronics, and then click on home theater or TV and video. Let's wait for it to load. So what is happening here is that anytime you load a page or a user loads a page, it will tell you the page he or she is currently on. Okay, so let me minimize this and then wait for a while, and that page will load up here. The page title will load and everything about the page will load here. Okay, it's as simple as that. So it works. Okay, go ahead and watch videos about Google Analytics into details, and they will show you everything about Google Analytics and how to set up custom audience and other things with Google Analytics. You can do a lot of things with Google Analytics. Now you can see TV, television site, what. You can see that, and that is the category I opened. You can see TV, television. This is the category. So Google Analytics is it's a powerful tool we use to track websites. Hey guys, you have successfully integrated Google Analytics to your WordPress website. If you want to continue seeing videos like this, go down, subscribe to this YouTube channel. That way, anytime I release a video, you are notified. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.